just got in the mail. Oh man, I've been waiting for this for years. For years I've been waiting for this bird. I held off on the 3. I was waiting for the 3 Pro. Oh my gosh. 3 Cine Pro. Alright. Adorama. Look at that. Woo. Woo. My wife told me to get to work. Get to work. Get to work. I am excited. Okay, we got our little pole strippy here. Oh no. This is the part I always hate. Oh wow. This is gonna be awesome. I am so excited. I love my Mini 3. I fly it daily. And I know I'm gonna fly this monster daily. We just in the afternoons, it's too windy for my little bird. So I need a bigger bird for bigger wind. Okay. Whew. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, that's a nice bag. Oh, that's a nice bag. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, yes. I do like DJI. I really do. You know, I like my Apple products too. They just work. Yep. Good shit costs money, but I sold 2 older drones. My FPV and my Mavic 2 Pro for this bad boy. Here's a bag of parts and pieces. Controller drops right down in there. Battery drops right down in there. Oh, this is nice. All felt lined. Woo. Oh. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. She's real. She's real. That comes right up off there. That is nice. Camera faces down. These come up in here. That's nice. So that's how it wants to be. Okay. I like it. Crisscross. Got that nice and secure. That comes around here. Oh yeah. Oh, I missed. Let's see. We got them in there. That's how it likes to sit. Yep, that's the angle of the bag. That's nice. Okay. We get stuff charged up here. Oh, that feels nice. Okay, I'm gonna get this stuff powered up.